Struggling to prepare a literature review from multiple research papers? With the LMS AI Literature Review tool, you can organize key findings and limitations in just a few simple steps. First, open the LMS AI Research Assistant platform. On the main page, you will find several academic tools. Select the Literature Review option from the LMS AI Template section. Next, the Literature Review page will open. Here, you will see a large input box asking you to add at least 5 references. Copy and paste the complete reference details of your selected research papers. For better output, include the author's names, paper title, journal name, publication year, volume, page numbers, and DOI, wherever available. Make sure all references are clearly separated and properly entered. After checking the reference details, click the Do Literature Review button. The tool will begin analyzing the references. During this stage, you may see a loading symbol and the message, "Waiting for response." Wait until the process is completed. Once the analysis is finished, the generated literature review will appear in the Output section. The tool provides the major findings and limitations of each reference, helping you understand the contribution of previous studies and identify possible research gaps. Finally, click the Copy the Text button and paste the generated content into Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Before using it in your thesis or manuscript, verify the information with the original papers and revise the content into connected academic paragraphs. That's it. With LMS AI, literature review preparation becomes faster, easier, and more organized.